Flip it. Master Korean reversible pairs with fun. Part 3. Did you know that some Korean words are like mirrors? They look the same when reversed, but their meanings are completely different. In today's video, we'll explore 2 fascinating reversible words. Today's reversible words are
교육
and.
육교.
We'll cover their pronunciations, meanings, cultural insights, and practical sentences. Plus, there's a fun quiz at the end. Let's dive in. The first word is
교육.
Shall we practice its pronunciation together? Here's how to pronounce it.
교육, 교, 육, 교육,
교육.
Means education or training. In Korea, it is a big deal. Students often attend private academies to study math, English, and even music. It is not just for students, it applies to job training, language learning, and even idol training in K-pop. Many K-pop idols go through an intense training process before debuting. They learn singing, dancing, and even foreign languages. Before we move on, let's learn how to use
교육.
in a practical sentence.
신입 사원들은 한 달 동안 교육을 받아요.
This means new employees receive training for a month. Let's say this sentence together.
신입 사원들은 한 달 동안 교육을 받아요. 신입 사원들은 한 달 동안 교육을 받아요. 신입 사원들은 한 달 동안 교육을 받아요.
The second word is
육교.
which is formed by reversing the syllables of.
교육.
Shall we try pronouncing it together? Here's how to say it.
육교, 육, 교, 육교.
육교.
Means footbridge, a pedestrian bridge that helps people cross busy roads safely. It is only for pedestrians. These footbridges are commonly built near schools, shopping districts, and busy intersections in Korea. Some K-pop lyrics use this word metaphorically, symbolizing a bridge between 2 emotions or people. Now, let's see how we can use
육교.
in a practical sentence.
학교에 가려면 육교를 건너야 해요.
This means to get to school, I have to cross the footbridge. Let's practice saying this sentence.
학교에 가려면 육교를 건너야 해요. 학교에 가려면 육교를 건너야 해요. 학교에 가려면 육교를 건너야 해요.
Quiz time. Here's a fun question to test your knowledge. Which of these is a bridge built over a road or railroad to help people cross it safely? Number 1.
교육.
Number 2.
육교.
Write your answer in the comments below. Great job! Today we explored 2 fun Korean reversible words.
교육.
And
육교.
one means education or training while the other refers to footbridge. Now you won't get them mixed up. Keep practicing and you'll master them in no time. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more fun Korean lessons. See you in the next video.